Hey guys, when it comes to talking to a girl, a lot of men often do get it all wrong. They end up either being walked out on or ignored whilst still talking, leaving them with a sad look and discouraging thoughts like, why did I even try talking to her in the first place? What is even so unattractive about me that makes her keep snubbing me? Here's the thing, it's not that they don't know how to talk to a girl. What they really lack is the relaxed mindset, whilst doing the talking. If you find yourself getting shunned by almost every girl you talk to, you need to ask yourself this question. Do I really talk in a relaxed way whilst talking to a girl? Of course not. Because if you are, you will be hitting the nail on the head every time you try talking to a girl that catches your attention. Do you really want to know how to relax whilst talking to a girl? Right here in this video, we will be explaining in details the major cause of this problem and how to solve it from its roots. So it all goes down to overcoming your inferiority. This may or may not sound new to you. This right here is your worst enemy that keeps making it difficult for you to relax whilst talking to a girl. Inferiority in this context is simply an emotional state of being inferior to someone else, who in this case happens to be the girls you talk to, even though you aren't inferior. This emotional instability makes you feel less of a man and not good enough for the girl you are talking to, in turn affecting your physical state, making you feel anxious or too cautious of not making a mistake that will ruin your perfect personality in front of the princess you are talking to. The moment your mind is at this state, you will definitely find it difficult to relax whilst talking to girls. For you to be able to solve this, what you have to do is apply a simple game called Mindset Unattractive Syndrome. This is simply a mind game in which you picture every girl in your mind to be unattractive. This will give you an advantage when it comes to controlling your high cautiousness of wanting to look perfect and stay completely off mistakes. You can also overcome your inferiority by putting a stop to those unrealistic fantasies going through your mind. Fantasies like this has a way of making you see the girl in question as someone who is way out of your league. As a man, nothing of such should exist in your world. Only by making sure none of these exist in your head will you be able to overcome your inferiority complex. To better explain how you're going to be able to do that, we will be taking you some illustrative examples, which are, the first being, how do you feel around girls you are less attracted to? Maybe a girl who is not just your type. Do you feel excited or nervous when talking to her? Of course not. If you are to overcome your inferiority, you need to see every girl as unattractive by picturing her to be the girl you will hold a conversation with, without feeling nervous or anxious. Although this might be difficult to do because as men, we are moved by what we see, but if you are able to fight off the overwhelming desires of your emotions to take charge of your thought, it will go a long way in helping you to relax whilst talking to a girl. Another way to help control this is to stop being too infatuated with a girl before you even talk to her. Infatuation generally affects your mindset by painting a picture that doesn't exist in your head right before you even make a move. Imagine you talking to a girl, and you have these crazy thoughts running through your head, like, this girl is just too beautiful. Really wish I could take her to the altar now and exchange vows with her to make her mine alone forever. Thoughts like this running through your mind keeps you off track because you are still living in your fantasies instead of the reality. This in turn makes you feel nervous whilst talking to her because you have series of imaginations running through your head all at once. To prevent this and make yourself feel relaxed whilst talking to a girl, all you have to do is walk up to her with a free mind, with no attachments whatsoever. This will make the conversation as simple as possible, and make it seem like you are having a conversation with an old friend that you just met. Getting things done this way will even make the girl in question more attracted to you, just by the way you look comfortable in your own skin. Finally, you need to value yourself as a man. Just by doing that, you'll be giving yourself the needed confidence to talk without being nervous or scared that you will make an embarrassing mistake that will make you look foolish right in front of the girl. That's it for today. We hoped you enjoyed this. Make sure to hit the bell icon, subscribe, like, and comment what else you'd like to see.